Write in short about role of Stanley. The role of Stanley depend on the context of the specific named named person. There is not a single Stanley with singular roles. For example, like Walensky, a streetcar desire represent the brutal. The primitive of the force of the New America, while explorer Henry Morton Stanley play in the key colonization in the Congo Free States. Another Stanley and Wyndham Stanley was Nobel Prize winning scientist. Winning scientist and who isolated a tobacco mosaic virus. Walensky in a streetcar desire represent the brutal. Represents primitive nature. He embodies the act. Animalistic intrinsic and survival of the fittest mentality of the changing American society. Villages peoples, his violent and abusive nature, culminating in the rape of Blanche and the Maxid, the antagonist, making the antagonist who destroy the fragile world. The American society, his acceleration, Blanche and the past of restoration and but brutal oval and reality the post war era. अगर बात फिर काची था Henry Morton Stanley, the explorer, found David Living Aston. He lost his image. He found his work on found on lost imaginary. Found Livingstone's the America 1871's Congo Free Society. His exploration and reporter for the river basin investor European investor, ultimately leading to the Congo Free States and the Leopold II. Wendell M. Stanley, scientist, Nobel Prize winning scientist. He won the Nobel Prize in chemistry. Isolated tobacco mosaic virus pure crystalline forms. Pioneering research. He achieved the viruses and the renewable acids and significantly different significantly to the virus and composed of their composition.